Opening shot. A sleek Apple store with bustling activity. Customers browse through the latest gadgets while Apple staff assist them. Cut to a close-up shot of the Apple Vision Pro logo. Transition to a montage of people using Apple Vision Pro in various settings at home, in the office, outdoors. Cut to a shot of a professional photographer using Apple Vision Pro on an iPad Pro. Photographers, both amateur and professional, rejoice. Apple Vision Pro transforms your device into a powerful tool, offering advanced editing capabilities and real-time feedback, ensuring your shots are nothing short of perfection. Transition to a shot of someone with visual impairment navigating their iPhone using VoiceOver. Accessibility is at the heart of Apple's ethos, and Apple Vision Pro takes it a step further. With features like VoiceOver and enhanced magnification, individuals with visual impairments can navigate their devices effortlessly, opening up a world of possibilities previously unimaginable. Cut to a scene of a group of friends video chatting on their iPhones, with Apple Vision Pro enhancing the video quality in real time. Stay connected like never before with video calls that are clearer and more immersive, thanks to Apple Vision Pro's real-time video enhancement technology. Say goodbye to pixelated images and blurry video feeds. Transition to a shot of a classroom setting with students using iPads equipped with Apple Vision Pro. Education evolves with Apple Vision Pro. Students can explore the world through interactive augmented reality experiences, bringing textbooks to life and making learning an engaging and dynamic process. Cut to a shot of a family enjoying a movie night with Apple TV, with Apple Vision Pro enhancing the picture quality. Bring the cinematic experience home with Apple TV and Apple Vision Pro. Enjoy stunning visuals with enhanced contrast, color accuracy, and clarity, making every movie night a memorable one. Closing shot. The Apple logo with the tagline, "Experience the future of vision," from photography to accessibility, communication to entertainment. Apple Vision Pro is revolutionizing the way we see and interact with the world around us. Experience the future of vision with Apple Vision Pro.